In this video, we'll show you how you can customize alerts on your Garmin Forerunner 55. Basically, what we're going to do, we get into our run settings. So we're going to tap and hold the up button, and we're going to get down to our activities and apps settings. Press start. We're going to choose run, which is the activity we want to put the alerts on. And basically, these are alerts that can trigger when you're doing the activity based on your goal. If you're doing calories, distance, heart rate, pace, other types of events, you can do this. So basically, we're going to get into our run settings, hit start, and we're going to go down to alerts. We're going to hit start. And from here, you can see that we already have a run walk activity created. We have a simple 10-in-1 timer set up. So this is a recurring timer so that you can do regular breaks. And you can see here when we go up and down, we can have the option to add a new alert. So I'm going to hit new, and I'm going to choose a different type. So let's take a look at the different types of alerts we can have. One, we have heart rate. So we can set minimum and maximum heart rate values or zone changes if you're doing heart rate training, very useful. We have pace, which is set a minimum or maximum pace values. We can set time, which is a time interval, which is recurring. We have distance, which is, you can set a distance interval, which is recurring. And we have calories, which is a range, which is minimum or maximum values of calories. Let's say you want to run until you hit 500 calories. And cadence, which is set a minimum or maximum value for your cadence. So for example, I just want to hit the heart rate, for example. And here you can either set a custom value or you can choose one of the preset heart rate zones. And when you're doing long runs, zone 2 is pretty much what's accepted nowadays. So you can choose that if you wanted to. And now you have two heart rates, or two alerts, I should say. You have a heart rate alert and you have a run walk alert. And that is it. That is basically how you set up your alerts on your Garmin Forerunner 55.